What is the one biggest waste of money in life? Today I'm going to share with you guys what that one thing is, how it is the biggest waste of money out there, and how you can avoid this. I can't wait to share this with you guys today. Good day, subscribers. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Financial Education Channel. So today we're talking about a very important subject. What is the number one biggest waste of money you can possibly do out there? And what it is paying interest. Paying interest is by far the biggest waste of money you can possibly, other than maybe burning the money, that's probably the biggest waste of money. Honestly, it is so bad. I want to run through a scenario with you guys. Let's say you want to get a car loan. You don't have a ton of credit built up because you're under the age of 30, and most people under the age of 30 don't have a ton of credit built up, or they're just might have missed some bills when they were younger because they weren't as financially savvy, those types of things. So you might not have the best credit. So let's say you need this car loan and you want to get this $40,000 car. Okay, cool. Nice car, nothing too insane, but a nice car, $40,000 loan. The bank says, okay, yeah, we'll give you that loan, but we're going to give you at a 20% interest rate. You say, okay, that's fine. You know, I just want the loan. I want the car, 20% interest rate. Sounds like a deal. Well, let's say you get that car loan for 10 years. Most car loans are 7 years, first off. So 7 years, but we're going to do this 10 years just for simple sake. By the end of those 10 years, when you finally have paid off that car, you will have paid, for that $40,000 car, you will have paid over $92,000. $52,000 in interest alone. Is that insane or what? $92,000 is what you will have paid for that $40,000 car, all because of the interest. So that's how those big banks got built. That's how they make billions of dollars in profits. If you ever wondered, is it just some magic trick they do? How do they make money? It is on interest. It is disgusting how much money they make on interest. And it's by far the biggest waste of money out there. Other bad thing about interest is the interest gets paid first on any type of loan. So whether it's a mortgage, a car loan, a credit card loan, whatever, the interest always gets paid first. So your first few years of owning a car, you'll notice the balance won't even go down very much. If you buy that $40,000 car, the balance might have only gone down $3,000, $2,000, but yet you're paying, $6,000, $8,000 a year to the credit card bill. How's that happening? Because the interest is what's getting paid first. Once the interest is paid, then the principal will really start going down. So most people won't see the amount go down very much until they've been paying on it for 2, 3, 4 years down the road. Same thing with the mortgage, but a mortgage is usually 30 years, so you can pay the first 10, 15 years, and you won't even have much of the principal still paid off. So it is sick. It is sick how much money they make off interest. So my suggestion being, do not get a loan unless that loan is at a rate of interest that you feel comfortable you can make on stocks or real estate or other investments of your own assets. So the way I think about it is the stock market goes up on average over the last 50 years or whatever, about 8% a year. So if you can't get a loan for about around 8% or less, then don't get a loan. And for sure as heck not if it's over 10%. And I know a lot of people get these loans at 15, 12, 20% loans, and it is just insane, literally insane. And you can build credit through getting a credit card and always paying off that credit card before the interest starts. So as long as you always pay on time, you won't have to pay the interest on it. That's the smartest way to build credit, so you get those lower loan rates. I thank you so much for watching this, guys. I hope it was super simple as it should have been. Number one biggest waste of money, paying interest. If you haven't subscribed, you may want to. I talk a ton about personal finance, some about business, and a little stock market, and basically just overall education of the financial world and just trying to do my best. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and have a great